In this video, I'll guide you through each step of playing your Nintendo Switch on the PC screen. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Playing Nintendo Switch on a PC screen offers a larger, high-quality display for immersive gaming. It also allows for more flexible gaming setups and easy access to PC features. Now, to begin playing a game with your Nintendo Switch controller on your PC, first ensure that your PC is turned on and ready to go. Once your computer is powered up, head to the Start menu and search for OBS Studio. This is a 64-bit application that you will need for the process. If you have OBS Studio installed on your computer, click to open it. If you don't have it yet, you'll need to download and install it first. After opening OBS Studio, look for the option labeled Display Capture in the interface. This is where you'll be able to capture the screen to display the game. Under Display Capture, you will notice a small plus sign. Click on this plus sign and a long list of options will appear on your screen. From this list, select Video Capture Device. Once selected, click OK to confirm. This will allow the system to recognize the video input from your controller. Once everything is set up in OBS Studio, move to your Nintendo Switch controller interface and start any game you would like to play. For example, you might choose a popular game you've been looking forward to. As soon as you start the game, it will automatically be displayed on your PC screen through OBS Studio. This process seamlessly streams the game directly from your Nintendo Switch to your computer, allowing you to play with ease. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching,